I am about to embark on another painting. I've got my tea. I'm calm. The goal for this painting is to keep the criticism voices in my head as low as I can so I can actually hear my own intuition and let the canvas and the painting guide me. You're going to join me in this adventure. It's going to go very fast. There'll probably be some voiceover in the middle, and at the end, we'll either be celebrating or commiserating. I don't know. So let's jump in.
I love the umbers, raw, burnt. I mean, you cook one too long, you don't cook one at all. It's kind of a really good food reference. So anyways, I started with raw umber here, and I'm just these very chaotic, very emotional strokes that I'm putting on here with the the spatula, the paint spatula. I absolutely love, and I do love getting out my blow dryer too, because that means I'm adding more color. Here is the raw. No, this is the burnt umber. Sorry, get my umbers mixed up. Again, I'm just adding some very emotional layers with lots of movement. I'm not sure where I'm going right now. The goal of this painting was to make sure that I got out of my head and into my intuition, so I could actually get creative and put out onto the canvas what I was thinking, what my brain was thinking. And now I got I think this is the raw sienna, burnt sienna, one of the siennas. And I really like the red here. It did scare me a bit when I put it on, but as I got it more on there, I was like, oh, this is going to be fine. It's all good. Now I'm adding a little bit more lighter stuff. Oh, wait. Oh, here's the stencils. What was I thinking with the stencils? I thought, oh, this is going to look so cool with these leaves. I knew the first one I put on, I wasn't happy, but I kept going because I wanted to at least have them all on there so it didn't look like I have one stencil that I messed up. And here I am, I'm mixing something. Yep, I'm covering them up already. But that's what's great about abstract art. If you don't like what you put down, just cover it up with some more paint. And now I'm going through with a brush, which I rarely use brushes, and just adding some of the light stuff. Oh, here comes the blue. Oh my God. When I first put that blue down, I was like, what did I do? What am I thinking? I knew it was going to dry a little bit darker, and I knew I had many more layers that I was putting on top of it, but still it was so striking, but it was so cool at the same time. I love that blue. And here I go. I'm working on getting rid of some of that brightness of the blue. I'm adding some white, adding a little bit of, it's not black, it's the burnt umber, the raw umber, and some black, and also the burnt umber all mixed together. And now I'm adding a little bit more white. I love adding white. It just seems to really brighten it up. Now I can still see my stencils there, but soon they're going to be not gone, but they're going to be worked in. Oh, that one's gone pretty well. So like I said, you make a mistake, you just keep going, you cover it up, no big deal. And I don't know, was it a mistake? It was just a choice I would not make again. The brayer here, I got that about a month ago. I love using it. I love how it puts paint on the canvas.
Now we're at the part of the painting where it can go really, really wonderful, or it can go really, really bad based on the decisions I make now. Now, let's be clear. Putting the blue down, that was a bold decision. I'm happy with it. I'm pretty happy with the chaos that I have going on here right now. And now it's time to make some marks, do some stencils, whatever else I want to do. Fingers crossed, I'm going to make good choices. You're going to be there with me every step of the way. We got this.
Okay, so now it's time for marks and stencils and whatever else I do. I started with a brown Posca acrylic marker pen. I love my Posca pens. And I usually do squigglies. I think I like the continuous motion of a circle and a squiggly. Now I'm shaking it, getting it to going, shaking and dancing. That was impressive. The white really stands out on the painting. I enjoy putting it on. The painting was wet in places, so I got a little bit of that onto the marker, but all was good. And so now I've got, what do I have now? Oh, I think I've got the black. Yeah, I seem to always use white and black markers when I do marks. I don't know why. I like the combination. But this is the fun part. This is where I'm kind of putting the chaos in place. This truly is one of my favorite parts of doing it, and it's very cathartic for me. Here, I love circles, and so I've got this cup, the stainless steel cup, and I'm putting on these circles of blue. That's my first. And then as I'm doing this, I'm like, oh, do I need more circles? Oh, can you have enough circles? Okay, here comes the white, and I've got the white circles. Now, I'm still using the same cup, And I know I'm thinking to myself, which I was trying not to think too much, but I was anyways. It's like, okay, I need some variation. And so now I've got the biscuit cutter out, and I'm getting some smaller circles here. And thinking while painting is not a bad thing if you're thinking about, what's next, what do you want to add, what do you not want to add. It's those thoughts. It's like, you suck, you're horrible, no matter what you add, it's going to be bad. Those are what I'm trying to avoid. And this is like a poo noodle, but not a pool noodle, that I found at Lowe's and cut a little piece off of that I love. It's got great texture, and I love making marks with this. So it's another form of a circle. And I'm just having circle fun here.
Well, here we are. We're at the end. So the question is, am I happy? Or am I sad? Or am I confused? Am I neutral? What am I? Okay, I'll give you 2 seconds to guess what I am based on my face. Okay, yeah, I'm happy. I like it. It's Victoria's brand of chaos and calm. I'm sure you're thinking there's no calm here, but there is. All the mark making at the end is my calm. It's like I'm bringing order, even though there's still chaos in that order. I love it. I love the colors. I love how bold it is. I love that you could get lost in here and probably find a lot of different little elements that you find figures and stuff in. So here we are. I don't have a name yet. I'm going to sit and stare for a while and come up with a name. Thanks for watching.